In this video, I want to share with you an alternative option that you can use in case you're having problems with the templates and drafts with the Productor extension. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on Merch by Amazon and Etsy. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now before I share with you that alternative option, just want to do a quick sales update. So it is March 1st. It is 5:14 p.m. I'm sitting at 19 sales, $27 in royalties with 5 returns. If you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both Merch by Amazon and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, entrepreneur pics, lifestyle pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 18 years. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So I don't know if you guys saw or heard, but the other day the Productor app, at least for me, stopped working, and some people messaged me on Instagram asking me about it and if there was any other options. So that's what kind of motivated me to make this video. But basically with the Productor app, what you can do is you can upload a design. So let me just go ahead and upload a design here, and I actually made this real quick. This is in reference to my goals recap video that I made today. Check it out, it's on my channel. But it basically says 100 days, $100 a day it's possible. So basically you can upload a design, and then you can come in here and you can add in all your colors, the prices, etc., etc. It kind of takes a lot of time, but once you do that, you can actually save it as a template down here, save as Productor draft. And what that is going to do is that it's going to make it so that you can just come up here once you upload a design, click on the template that you want, and then click on no text right here, and it will basically just add in all the colors, add in all the prices, and it's just going to save you a lot of time. But now for some reason when I do it, it says error and database. Please build database first by clicking refresh product database. Now I spent like an hour trying to figure this out. I couldn't do it. It was pretty frustrating, to be honest. So what I ended up doing was just using another extension that I have, which is this one right here, Merch Informer Lister. And so what you want to do is you want to go to Google, type in Merch Informer Lister, click on this button right here. Now, I believe it is free. At least it was free when I got it back in the day. I have not been being charged for it, and I've had it for probably like the past 3 or 4 years now, but I've just liked the Productor extension a lot better, so that's why I've been using it more. But I still had it installed on my Chrome browser. And then once you click on this sign in, get started, it will take you to this page right here, and you just want to follow the instructions on how to install it. Like I already have it right here, so that's why it says remove. But if you've installed extensions before, it's pretty simple. Now, once you have it installed in your browser, you want to click on the little button right here that says Merch Informer Listing, and it's going to take you to this page right here. Once you're on this page, what you want to do is you want to click on Add Profile. And then here, you're basically going to add in all the information on how you want your profile set up for when you upload your Merch by Amazon shirts. Now, I have 2 profiles. I have one for dark shirts and I have one for light shirts because I design for both white and black t-shirts. But here what you can do is you can basically select the marketplaces that you want and the prices. Now, me personally, I don't sell on UK, Germany, France, Italy, and a lot of people ask me why, and that is, or the reason why is because I'm paranoid about getting rejections for trademark, because I don't really understand the trademarks in these other countries. I don't really know how to use the websites. Now Test I know how to use. I've been using it for a long time. I understand the trademarks in the United States, so that's why I don't do it, or that's why I don't upload onto these other platforms. Now, to each their own. If you want to go for it, that's just the way I do it. All right, so I'm going to uncheck all, and then once you've done that, I like to just select the products that I like to sell, which is basically the clothing. I don't even really mess with the pop sockets or little electronics, just the apparel. So pop sockets, phone case, tote bags, throw pillows. I don't even bother with those either because, again, it's a different trademark class. Clothing is 025. I think pop sockets is like 009, but I don't want to spend a bunch of time checking for trademarks. The best-selling product on Merch by Amazon is going to be t-shirts, then probably like hoodies, v-necks, etc. So I just try and just focus my time in getting as much apparel up as possible. Again, teach their own. All right, so once you've selected the products, then you just want to basically add in the prices. So select your prices. Now me, I like to start low and go high. Oops. I'm sorry, I like to start low, and then as soon as I get sales or as soon as I start to get reviews, I will slowly start to increase the prices. All right, so right here, I'm just adding them in real quick, and then I'll show you what you do after. So 29.99, but this is going to save you a lot of time, because if you don't have any type of extension like this, it's going to take you just a lot longer to type in all the prices, select all the colors. Just a pain in the butt. So once you've typed in the prices, right here you can choose whether you want to Amazon to translate the products for you. And that's also another reason why I don't like uploading to the other platforms, because if I have Amazon translate it for me, in case there is a rejection, it doesn't get marked against my account. They will take responsibility for that. But if I do it and get a rejection, then it does get marked against my account. So that's why I'd rather just have Amazon do the translation for me. Now for the product details, I will leave blank because I'm going to be adding in my own SEO or keywords. But if you want, you can add in, brand, title, bullet points, descriptions. And then here you want to select on the colors. So again, like I said, I have two profiles, dark shirts and light shirts. So right here, you just select the colors that you want. I'm just going to select basically the dark colors real quick. So you want to do that for each one of the products that you're selling. And then for the product view, actually let me get my face out the way here. And then for the product view, I just do front, and I only select men and women. The reason why I don't want to select youth is because, again, I'm afraid of getting a rejection. So I would just leave it blank. And for the most part, the majority of my designs aren't even for kids. They're mainly for men and women or adults. So I would just leave that blank or unchecked. And then in case if I am selling that's something that is specifically for kids, when I'm actually on Amazon, I will just select the youth. But this is just to kind of keep my account safe and avoid getting rejections. And then once you've done that, you just want to select a hotkey. So this is actually kind of the cool part. You can just select any basically number or combination of letters or numbers, And so let's just go with like D, for example. Now the shortcut I leave blank, and then you want to click active right here. Now the hotkey is basically when you're on Amazon, you're just going to hit that letter or number or combination of letters, and it will just basically take over, and it will add in all the colors, all the prices for you. All right, so once you have the hotkey, you want to make sure that it's active, it's checked off. That's very important. Then you're just going to click done, and you will see that we have the profile right here. Now I didn't do it all. These are the ones that I'm using right here actually. So you can see I have one for dark colors and light colors, all my pricing. But then what you want to do is you want to actually go back to Amazon and use it. So right here I'm on my Amazon dashboard. I have this $100 a day is possible design, and I'm just going to select my hotkey, so Alt B, and it should just go ahead and work its magic. You can see it's adding all the colors, adding all the prices. If I were to have keywords, it would add those, but it looks like it is done. And now I can go ahead and basically add in my title, my brand name, my bullet points, etc. All right, so that is how you use the Merch Informer Lister. I believe it is still free. It's a great second option if you are having trouble with the Productor extension. Now, if anybody knows how to fix this, let me know, because personally I would rather use the Productor, but in the meantime, this is a great second option. All right, so comment below, let me know what you think. Now, in case you get stuck and you need more information, Merch Informer has its own YouTube channel with a whole bunch of information, and actually their software, their website is actually pretty good. They have a bunch of great research tools. I'm not affiliated with them or anything like that, but they do have really good content. But this video right here, how to upload your merch by Amazon products 10 times faster, is actually about the Merch Informer Lister. So in case you get stuck and you need more information, maybe there's something that I missed, you can go ahead and check out this video right here. All right, and then just one last thing before I check off, I just want to thank everybody for all the kind messages that you guys wrote me on my latest video about my royalties. I got 50 comments. Usually I don't get this many comments, so just thank you for all the positivity, all the nice things that you guys are saying. Congrats, Mike. Just really made me feel good, really motivated me. So I just want to thank you. One of the reasons why I'm able to be successful, with my habits and, being productive and making money on Merch by Amazon is because, of you guys. You guys are holding me accountable. So I just want to give you guys a big thank you. Couldn't do it without you. I really appreciate your guys' nice comments and the positivity that you have been saying in your comments. All right. So that's going to be it for today's video. Thanks again so much. If you want, I do have some links in the descriptions for some courses. Check them out if you're interested. If not, it's all good. And tomorrow's video is going to be for the Flying Research newsletter. It just got sent to me earlier this morning. They got a pretty good niche, so I will be going over that tomorrow. All right, you guys have a great weekend, and I'll see you on the next one. Adios.